Imagine if you had 5 AI tools that could literally help you start making money online, even if you have zero skills. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that beginners are using right now to start freelancing, creating content, and even building online businesses in 2026. And the best part? Most of them are free to start. So make sure you watch to the end because tool number 5, it can literally replace an entire freelancer team.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to make money online using AI tools, freelancing, and smart digital skills, make sure you subscribe. Now, let's get started. First tool on the list, ChatGPT. Now, this isn't just for chatting. It's a literal powerhouse for productivity. It can write your articles, create Fiverr gig descriptions, script your YouTube videos, and even generate entire business ideas. It makes client work faster. But let's talk money. How do you actually cash in? You offer services like blog writing, copywriting, and email marketing. Go to Fiverr or Upwork right now and search for article writer. You'll see people charging anywhere from $20 to $100 per article. With ChatGPT, you can create high-quality drafts in minutes. But here is the pro tip. Don't just copy and paste. Take the time to edit and improve it. Make it feel human.
Second tool is Canva. Look, even if you don't know the first thing about graphic design, Canva makes it easy. You can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, resumes, even business logos. Now here is the real earning idea. Offer a thumbnail design service. Many YouTubers are paying $5 to $20 per thumbnail. You can also sell your own digital templates. It is that simple.
Tool number 3, CapCut. Look, CapCut isn't just an editor anymore. It's an AI powerhouse. We are talking auto captions, AI voiceover, background removal, and text-to-speech. Now, let's talk money. How do you earn with this? First, start a faceless YouTube channel. Second, offer video editing services to others. And third, create short-form content for clients. Listen to me. In 2026, short-form content is in huge demand. Don't miss out.
Fourth is Fiverr. Now, this isn't an AI tool itself, but it becomes incredibly powerful when you combine it with AI. Here's the winning strategy. Use ChatGPT to generate your content. Use Canva for the designs, and deliver those services directly on Fiverr. You can offer blog writing, social media posts, resume writing, or product descriptions. Thousands of beginners are doing this exact thing right now. It's time to get started.
Tool number 5 is combining AI tools to build automation systems. For example, use ChatGPT to generate content. Use Canva for visuals. Use CapCut to turn it into video. Now you have a complete content machine. Big earning idea. Start a faceless YouTube automation channel in finance, tech, or motivation. Or start an AI content agency. Businesses are paying good money for AI-powered content systems. Listen, if you're a beginner, here's exactly what you should do. Step 1, pick one skill. Just one, writing, design, or video. Step 2, learn it for 7 days using AI. Step 3, create your Fiverr profile. Step 4, send 10 proposals daily. Remember, consistency beats everything. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to make you faster. The people who learn AI now will dominate freelancing in 2026. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe for more AI money-making content. And comment below, which AI tool are you going to try first?